So we'll start with the wall sit. Go ahead, Steph.
All right, so we're gonna hold the wall sit for about 30 seconds. We're gonna stick our glutes on the wall there. We're gonna sink down a little bit, making sure our knees are not over our toes. And remember to breathe. Keep that core nice and tight, shoulders back. And we're gonna hold for 30 seconds. We're almost there.
All right, here we go. So I'm going as low as I can comfortably for my knees here. Gently, I'm squeezing my glutes and I'm pulling my abs in.
Yes.
Relaxing my shoulders. Am I almost there yet, Steph?
Almost. You got 10 more seconds.
All right.
Almost there.
And as you said, to breathe.
Breathe, yes. And now we can transition over to our incline wall push-up here.
Okay.
So we're gonna turn and face the wall. I wanna keep your feet about shoulder width apart. Your hands are gonna be placed in front of your shoulders there, and we're gonna make sure that our fingers are spread nice and wide here.
Now, how far away from the wall should I be?
Depends on your height. So if you're like Susannah and you're 5'1" little shorty, you wanna probably keep about 1 to 2 foot lengths away from the wall. If you're a little bit taller, you may need to go a little bit further back just so that we make sure your back stays in a straight line. So when you're gonna push into the wall here, your elbows are gonna flare out.
Elbows are go out like that?
Yep.
Okay.
There you go, and we're probably gonna do about 12 to 15 reps here, which should be good. And Susannah does a very good job here of keeping her back in line, so she's not arching her back, she's not pushing her pelvis forward, and her knees are staying straight in line and not hyperflexed.
And as we know, I'm a very bad counter, but luckily Steph is a good counter. How many have I done?
You've got 4 more.
Okay.
And last one here.
All
All right, and that's it.
So, thank you, Steph. All right, everyone, this is the challenge for the month. So you can do that and repeat that sequence 2 or 3 times, and you can do it every day if you want or every other day, and get strong.